London formed the backdrop for round 6 of the ITU World Championship Series. The sprint distance race was battled out over the 2012 Olympic course. The huge field dived into the Serpentine with a wetsuit swim over 750 metres. As always, it was Slovakia's Richard Varga who led the way, along with South Africa's Henry Schoeman. A large group exited the water, with Schoeman, who'd finished 6th in Auckland, first into transition. But a large group was right behind him, including the Brownlee brothers, who'd exited the water side by side as they competed against each other for the first time this season. But disaster struck Johnny as he suffered a puncture and was forced straight into a wheel change, which cost him valuable seconds. He then struggled to get going throughout the race after his brakes started to bind on the new wheel. There were 18 in the lead group, Alistair Brownlee joined by Aaron Royal and Vincent Louis among others. The pack were working well together as they tried to build up an advantage over the shorter 20k distance. Mario Mola and Richard Murray were back in the chase group, trying to close down a gap opened up by the leaders. The 18 soon got stretched out, mindful that heavy rain had left some tricky patches on the fast course. The older of the Brownlee brothers was first into transition as he took part in his 3rd race of the year after finishing 2nd and 1st in Yokohama and Cape Town respectively. Brownlee won Olympic gold over the longer distance on this course 3 years ago, and after a quick transition was soon into his stride. He attacked from the front and had left those behind him in his wake. Vincent Louis, Fernando Alaza and Ryan Bailey would soon open up a small gap as the silver and bronze places appeared to be their goal, with Brownlee out of sight. After collecting the Yorkshire flag on the finishing chute, it was all smiles for Brownlee as he had plenty of time to enjoy the adulation from the huge crowd in the grandstand to cross the line in just under 51 minutes. Spain's Fernando Alaza, who'd finished 2nd in the under-23 race here in 2013, came through to take his first WTS podium in 2nd. And Frenchman Vincent Louis held off the attentions of Ryan Bailey and South Africa's Richard Murray to take the bronze. Murray had left himself too much to do, but did record the fastest run split, covering the 5k in 14 minutes and 12 seconds. But for the 2nd time this year, it was Alistair Brownlee on top of the podium as he moved up to 5th in the overall standings.
The first time I felt like I've really been able to race at my best for a long time, the best part of a year. So, I actually felt quite good on the run. So back to kind of, hopefully if I can get back to where I was a couple of years ago. I've been there for a while. But yeah, in terms of the other athletes, Mola and Murray missing the group obviously makes life a bit easier, and it would have been nice to race against Johnny, but also it makes it a hell of a lot easier if he gets a puncture. So yeah, unfortunate for him, but yeah, circumstance worked in my favour today.